Well, hey parents, I just want to extend an invitation to you for an event that we have coming up called Parent Connect. And what Parent Connect is just a way for you, the parent, to connect with what is going on in the life of the student ministry with calendar and vision and all that God is doing by His grace. It's also a way for you, the parent, to connect with your student's life group leader so that you all can partner together as you disciple your student. And finally, it's a way for you, the parent, to connect with other student families so that you know that you're not on this journey alone and you have people to fight with and you have people to get advice from as you walk on this path. So plan on being there. It's August the 21st from 12:15 to 2:15. We will serve you and your entire family lunch. And we will have childcare from crawlers through 6th grade, and we'll have a fun event going on for the students during that time. But you could do us the biggest of favors and register online at bafbc.org/parentconnect and register everyone who will be in attendance. That way we can plan for food and for childcare and all of that good stuff. If you attended last year, it will be different, so plan on coming again. We're having Brian and Angela Haynes come and give us some equipping from their recent book, Relentless Parenting. We'll also have a time of Q&A with them concerning that book. We'll also be giving out calendar and information for events that are ahead. And if you didn't come, this is a great event to come to plug into what's going on in student ministry here at Bay Area. So again, that's an event coming up on August the 21st from 12:15 to 2:15. Register online as soon as possible at bafbc.org/parentconnect. We'll see you there.